Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to show you the quickest way, the fastest way, the best way to mic up a drum set with only 3 mics. So 3 mics, and it's going to sound amazing. I'm talking fast, quick, easy, but sounding amazing. So I just took some mics that I already had. I didn't rent anything, didn't buy anything. I'm a firm believer that you can just use the tools that you have. And don't focus so much on technology or getting things just right. Just get to the music. So I placed 2 large diaphragm condenser mics above the kit, kind of like overheads. So the first mic, it's a Rode NT1A. I'm labeling it overhead left, but it's pointed directly at the snare. Now the next mic, it's a fairly old, about 15 years old. It's an MXL V67, and it's kind of pointed over on the right side, so it's kind of an overhead right mic. Now the third mic, you got to give that kick drum just a little extra presence, a little extra kick and boost in the mix. So I just grabbed an SM58 and placed it in front of the bass drum, and it sounds pretty good. So just with these 3 mics, I'm getting a fairly decent sound coming through with just a little bit of EQ in the kick drum mic, and that is it. It sounds pretty good. Listen to this. So in my opinion, this is one of the best ways, one of the quickest ways you can mic up a drum kit and get recording, get to the music, and it's going to sound good.